This topic is about spiral meridian, how to plot it on the finger, because many times vertical meridian and horizontal meridian is a little easy, but the spiral meridian is little, difficult to, or maybe confusing. So basically, so just in the short notice we have come up, and I hope we do our best. But before we start the session, let us invoke the energy of creator of all that is and take the blessings of all the teachers and our parents. So as I said that this is all about spiral meridian. So what we are going to do is we are actually showing it to you on the finger as well as on the PPT. And at the end, there is a surprise for everyone. Okay. All right. So you know that Vat joint is a topmost joint, middle joint is a Pitta joint, and the last joint is a Kapha joint. So all the hollow organ related diseases can be treated on the Vat joint. All right. And it can be treated on the vertical meridian. All the sense organs related disease or glands or body holes or tissues can be treated on the spiral meridian. Also, any radiating pain or any chronic diseases can be treated on spiral meridian. One more thing can be treated on spiral meridian is that supposing if you have a problem on one side of the body, and maybe after some days you will find the problem going to the back side of the body, or maybe this side of the body. So if your whole body is covered with that particular problem, then you can use this spiral meridian. On the cuff joint, we have solid organs, and the solid organs can be treated on horizontal meridian. Okay, so let us just check what is plotted on the middle joint. The middle joint is also known as Pitta joint, and you can see the body holes here on the middle joint. You can see the tissues on the middle joint. You can see the sense organs on the middle joint, and you can see the endocrine glands on the middle joint. Now, let us just check how the vertical meridian is divided. 0 is right in the center till the top of the head. So any problem related to this particular area, you can treat on this vertical meridian. 1 number is just next to 0, and any problem which comes under this line will be treated on 1 number. Similarly, this is 4 number, any problem related to this line. So say, for example, if you have any liver pain or maybe some stomach pain here or intestine pain, so then yes, you can see the 4 number is crossing that section. So you need to understand that which particular organ it is covering. So you can use the 4 number vertical meridian. Now this is 5 number. Any problem on the 5th vertical meridian can be treated on the 5th vertical meridian. Now here next to 0 here we have 2 number. Now you can see how it is plotted. And next to 2 we have 3, and next to 3 we have 6. So now you understand that any organ which comes under this 2 number. Say, for example, if you have any problem on this 2 number vertical meridian, anywhere, maybe on the chest here, on the neck here, anywhere. So then you can take 2 number vertical. This is how on the back side, when you come on the back side, see, you have 9 number right in the center. Next to 9 number, we have 7 and we have 6 here. Here we have 8 and we have 5. Now, any problem related to any of the vertical meridian which comes under this area, you can choose that particular vertical meridian. Now you can just see how it is plotted on the finger. See, say for example, just a minute. So for example, here you can see how it is plotted on the finger. Right in the center, we have 0. Towards the thumb side, we have 1 and 4. Towards the middle finger side, we have 2 and 3, right? So this is how the plotting will go. On the back side, towards the thumb, we have 5, 8. And in the center, we have 9. Towards the middle finger, we have 6 and 7. Always remember there is a sequence of 0, 1, 4, 5, 8 on one side, and 2, 3, 6, 7, 9 on the other side. So this sequence you have to remember. I forgot to write it down over here. It will come in the next PPT. Now this is the horizontal meridian. Now you can see it is so very clear. Any problem related to this 0 horizontal meridian. So any problem in this area, you can choose 0 horizontal meridian. Any problem on 1, you can choose 1 horizontal meridian. So this is how, see, you can see the 3 horizontal meridian, it comes on near the kidney. Can you see the kidney plotted over here? So any problem in the back side or in the front side, maybe in the stomach. So then you can choose this particular 3 horizontal meridian. Now, similarly, every section is given over here. It is all clear. I won't take much time here. And the plotting on the finger. Can you see the plotting on the finger of the horizontal meridian? See, the middle joint. On the middle joint, we have 3 number. On the first joint, var joint, we have 6 number. And on the cuff joint, we have 0 number. Now, on the thumb, you have to be really careful over here. See, on the first joint of the thumb, we have 0. On the first joint, middle joint, I mean to say, the middle joint is 5 number, and on the top it is 9 number. I hope this much is clear. Now, let us come to spiral meridian. As I told you, can you see this graph over here? Let me just open this. One second. Now, can you see this graph over here? See, supposing if you have a problem right in the center, then sometimes if the problem goes here. So if your whole body is covered with the problem, then you can choose the spiral meridian. Okay. Now this is a chart here. You can see this is a chart which I will be explaining it in detail how to plot it on the figure. All right. So now this is a simple plotting that you can see on the finger and on the thumb. Okay, this is how you should plot it on the finger. Can you see the back side of the index finger? So from the thumb side, it is 5, 8. So you know the sequence. Middle it is 0, 0, 1, 4. Here it will become 5, 8. Then 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. So this is the sequence. Okay, now let us try this on the spiral meridian. Say for example, if this is the sequence, can you see 0, 1, 4, 5, 8? And on the other side, we have 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, correct? Now, supposing if I want to plot any protocol on 1 number spiral, can you see this 1 number spiral? Put 0 over here. The moment you put 0 over here, immediately the next number put 2 and before 0 put 1. And just go according to the sequence. So 1, 4, 5, 8. Since you put 2 over here, so 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. I hope it is getting clear. Now let us take another example. Now supposing if I make this 2, spiral, if I want to plot any protocol on 2 spiral, okay. So now under 2, I will put 0. Now immediately what I have to do? I have to put 2 on the right side and 1 on the left side. So now continue with the sequence 1, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 2, 3, 6, 7, right? Let us take one more example. Now, supposing I have to make a protocol on 3rd spiral. All right. Now, immediately I will put 0 over here, 2 on the right side. So 2 will come under 6 and 1 on the left side. So 1 will come under 2 and the sequence will go as it is 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 2, 3, 6. So 6, so 7 will come here because this is a sequence you will go. So it has to go in a circle, right? Okay. All right. So here I have tried to put it on the finger. Now see, can you see the lower line? Lower line, this is a normal flow. 0, 1, 4, okay, 5, 8, 9 on the thumb side. And on the middle finger side, we have 2, 3. When we turn the finger, we will have 6, 7, and 9. Okay. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. Yes. So this is a normal flow. Now, supposing if I want to make, this 3 number as a spiral. Okay. So what I have done, I've put 0 on top of 3. Okay. Now I will rotate this number. How will I rotate? 0, 1, 4. So can you see on 2, we get 1 here. So continue with the sequence 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, and then 9, 7, 6, and then 2, 3. Is it getting clear? Okay. Now let us see this particular chart. See, it is very, very simple. I have marked it. Now look here. Can you see the pointer over here? So this is the 1 spiral. Okay. Now supposing if I want to put a protocol on the first spiral. So just check here. This is the first vertical meridian. So supposing if under 1, I have 0. As I told you the formula, immediately put 2 over here and 1 over here. So this is how then you can continue the sequence. Now supposing I choose second number spiral. Now I will go to the second number. This is the second number. See, there is a 0 over here. What should I do? I'll put 2 over here on the right side and 1 over here and continue the cycle. Okay. Same with the third number spiral. Now third number, can you see the third number over here? Third is 0 over here. What is the formula I told you? Put 2 and 1 and then continue with the cycle. So it is like 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7, 2. This is how you should go. Now this is the fifth number spiral. So where is the fifth number? Fifth number is here. Okay. So immediately I'll put 0 over here and 2 on the right, 1 on the left. First simple. This is what you have to remember and continue the cycle. Now let us see 6 number. 6 number is here. So under 6, I have the 0. Can you see the 0 over here? Yeah. What I did, I put 2 here and 1 here, and then I'll continue with the cycle. This is how the cycle will move. Then this is how 7 number. Where is the 7 number? Can you see the 7 number over here? Under 7, we have the 0 here. What will I do? I'll put 2 on the right, 1 on the left, and continue the cycle. Now this is a 9 number spiral. So 9 number spiral is here. Can you see this 0? Now when 0 is here, what will I do now? Tell me. Here, this is how then you have to go, because I told you right hand side, I have to put 2, right? And on the left, I have to put 1. So right side will go here and the 2 will come on number 8. Now this is a 0 number spiral. This is very, very simple. 2 on the right, 1 on the left, and go according to the cycle. Right? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we will be, plotting one protocol so that it is clear to you. So that particular protocol is about gas and acidity. We have taken only one protocol so that it is easy for you to understand. 1 second. All right. So as soon as we plot that particular protocol on the finger, I will be showing it to you on the PPT also, and then there is a surprise at the end. Okay, so wait for the surprise. So, okay, so this is a protocol for gas and acidity on the vertical meridian. Now, yeah, so can you see over here that 0 is right in the center, 1, 4 is towards the thumb, 2, 3 is here. Now, if I talk about vertical meridian and the protocol is 1, 4 tone, 2, 3 sedate on the third vertical. Now, where is the third vertical? Third vertical is here. Where is 1? 1 is plotted over here. So just you have to go on this one line, one number line, and put 1 point over here. Then the next is 4. Now 4 is here. Can you see? The fifth joint is 3 number. And the first joint, bar joint is 6 number. So in between we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 number is here and we have to select the third number vertical, right? So third number is here. Now you have to go on the 4 number and plot here. So this is tone. Now let us check on the horizontal. The horizontal here, as we know that this is the middle joint is a 3 number and the top joint is a 6 number. So now if we are going to plot on the third horizontal, so third horizontal is here. Can you see on the middle joint? So 1, 4 tone, 2, 3 sedate. Very, very easy. So 1 number is here. Just go adjacent to 1 over here on the 3 number and adjacent to 4 on the 3 number. So 1 and 4 will be tone and 2 and 3 sedate. So just go along this 2 number adjacent on the 3 number and along the 3 number on the 3 number. Okay, so this is sedate. Okay, and let us check this on the spiral. Now look here. So now supposing if we want to plot this third on the third spiral and 1, 4 tone, 2, 3 sedate. So if I make this third as my protocol spiral, so this will become 0. Can you see the 0 underneath? 1, 4, 5, 8. This is the sequence it will go. 2, 3, 6, 7, and 9. All right. So our protocol is 1, 4 tone, 2, 3 sedate. So 1, 4 tone. So now can you see 1 over here? Okay. So 1 on 1. So here we have 1 and 4. So can you see 4 over here on 4? Okay. Now 2, 3, 2, 3 will come on this side. See, 2 is here, and this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. So 2 on 2, okay, and 3 on 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, no?
Clear.
All right, great. Okay, so we have a small homework for you right now, classwork. So I want everyone to plot this. Kindly note this down. Cervical pain radiating to left arm, left ring finger, 0 spiral, 6-8 sedate, and 0-5 tone. Just write this down and you can plot it on the finger and show it.